Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this video I am going to teach you what is programming. Okay, so let's begin the lecture. So programming involves writing a series of instructions or commands that a computer can understand and execute. Okay, so the instructions are written or commands are written so that the computer can understand it, and then after understanding it executes it. Okay, so the instructions are written using a programming language. Okay, the programming language may be a C programming language or C++ or Java or any other programming language. Okay, so programming is the art of giving instructions to a computer using a programming language to solve the problems. Okay, so it's nothing. So giving the instructions to the computer using a programming language. Okay, so the programming language provides a set of rules and syntax for expressing the commands. So programming is generally used to solve the problems. Okay, so it's generally used to solve the problems. Okay, it is a step by step procedure to solve the problems. Okay, so the problems are broken down into simpler steps. That's all. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel.